Hello friends, I Daira Bhatia to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from Origin to Infinity. Today, the second test series, that is Daily Test Series 2 for all the competitive exams such as CSIR-NET, JRF, GATE, SET, IIT-JAM, NBHM P.Hd, any other MSc entrance exams and GPSC as well that are going to be conducted in 2021 is released, and you can find the link for the test series below in the description box. For regular updates, you can visit our YouTube channel continues and for complete study material, you can visit our Telegram channel. Thank you.